I'm Bruce Donaldson. I am the Operations Director for Transportation and Infrastructure in the UK. So at WSP we are differentiating ourselves by building a culture and a community of lean practitioners and lean thinking. And the way we do that is, well, firstly I'm a lean practitioner, but I sponsor the training and development of our people getting through to become lean practitioners. So we do that with on-the-job activities. So they actually bring forward lean initiatives and implement them and learn from them as part of that training. So at WSP, increasing productivity and efficiency is really important. In actual fact, one of our guiding principles is about collaborating in everything we do. So to get the best value, the best improvement, that means bridging into our clients and understanding it from their perspective, but particularly here, bridging into the contractors and the construction activities, because that's where we'll get the biggest benefit from increased productivity. In the highway sector, productivity is hugely important. So if I take an example, if we use a digital twin and digital rehearsal, that allows us to plan and work through the construction that we're going to undertake before we get into that risky situation on the highways network. And that's got big time savings. And that's got two great components to it. The first is our road workers are exposed to the risk for a lot shorter time, but also for the public, there's less disruption. Roadworks will be off quicker and projects completed sooner.